Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use VN to create YouTube Shorts video. It's very easy to do. First, download VN Video Editor app on your device or your PC. Then what you have to do is open VN app. After opening the app, choose your own footage. Then click next. Now use the video extraction music feature to place your favorite song in the audio track. Use the music beat marker function to mark rhythm points for each addition of transition effects. Then cut the footage to the beat and organize the favorite shots. Then what you have to do is making slow-mo effects and using curve shifting. Then you can do adding suitable transition effects. Now after this, add suitable LU2 filters and title template, and that's it. That's how you can create a YouTube video shorts. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like. Thank you for watching.